Yes guys, in every tourist destination, taking videos or pictures is a must to have souvenirs and a common practices of every individual nowadays. Yes guys, absolutely.
Yes! Baguio! Yung maring.
Yes, hello guys. Ito yung mga lifesaver jackets dito sa Burnham Lake. Yeah.
Wow.
Boating is a great pleasure dito sa lagoon or sa lake. But since gabi na guys, kaya close na itong Burnham Lake. Kaya ito, video muna dito guys. Yes. Yan, may mga lovers dito guys. May mga joggers, may nag-exercise. Yeah. Ito yung situation dito sa Burnham Lake. Yeah. Ito yung perfect picture ko guys.
Set up.
Yes, strolling around Burnham Lake. Lamig guys, sarap lang hapin ng hangin dito. Yeah, with the dark but with lot of lights. Maliwanag naman dito guys, kaya itong video ko kasi doon ako nakafocus sa my lake. Yeah.
Hello! Ulit! Ang ganda guys na view. Thank you!
And here's another perfect shot. Yeah. Para silang ready to go na nakahili-hilira. Yes. Yes guys, spending time in nature has been proven to reduce our stresses and improve mental health. Yes, a walk in the park offers direct connection to natural world.
Wow.
If you are having a bad day, it is worth trying to get outside and taking a stroll through a green space, surrounding yourself with natural light and greenery. Whoa! And being outside and walking through a park can relieve feelings of stress and anxiety. Yeah guys. Yes guys, thank you for watching and watch out for my next episodes. Bye guys.